hamburger, and I was just showing them over here. These paintings that I'm painting here are these night studies. So they actually go for like right here is like where this piece is right here.
शाबाज कलंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दम दम बे अंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर ओ लाल मेरी पत रखियो भाला झूले लाल जिंदड़ी दा शेवड़ दा सखी शाबाज कलंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दम दम बे अंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर ओ लाल मेरी पत
रोम रोम तेरा नाम पुकारे, एक हुए दिन रैन हमारे, हमसे हम ही छिन गए जब से देखे नैन तिहारे। सजदा जाने तू कहाँ है, उड़ती हवा पे तेरे पैरों के निशान देखे, ढूंढा है जमीन पे जाना है फलक पे, सारे आसमां देखे, मिल जा कहीं परे, समय से परे, मिल जा कहीं तू भी अखियों से कभी मेरी अखियों की सुन। ताकते रहते तुझको सांझ सवेरे, नैनों में बसिया जैसे नैन ये तेरे, नैनों में बसियां जैसे नैन ये तेरे, तेरे मस्त मस्त दो नैन मेरे दिल का ले गए चैन, मेरे दिल का ले गए चैन, तेरे मस्त मस्त दो नैन, हो तेरे मस्त मस्त दो नैन मेरे दिल का ले गए चैन, मेरे दिल का ले गए चैन, तेरे मस्त मस्त दो नैन। सर पे नया है आसमां, चारों दिशाएं हंस के बुलाए, क्यों सब हुए हैं मेहरबान। पाया मैंने पाया तुम्हें, रब ने मिलाया तुम्हें, होठों पे सजाया तुम्हें, नग में समाया तुम्हें। पाया मैंने पाया तुम्हें, सबसे छुपाया तुम्हें, सपना बनाया तुम्हें, नींदों में बुलाया तुम्हें। चाहतों का मजा फासलों में नहीं, आ छुपा लूं तुझे हौसलों में कहीं। सबसे ऊपर लिखा है तेरे नाम को, ख्वाहिशों से जुड़े सिलसिलों।
Buddy, can you introduce yourself, please?
Yeah, my name's Stemberger, and I was just showing them right here. These paintings that I'm painting here are these night studies. So they actually go for like right here is like where this piece is right here for the lighting. And this is a plein air painting piece. This one is a night study, and it's towards fall. This was like a fall winter piece.
Looks
And,
very beautiful.
Thank you. This is another one that's like this walkway here.
Looks the same.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Great art.
Yep. But I think that should be good.
So, is there a different material that you use for these type of
Yeah,
paintings?
this one has like some resin on it right here, and so it's with acrylic and resin. So it's kind of, somebody asked me yesterday like why was it shiny, and because it has like a resin on it. But these ones are mostly acrylic, yeah.
Yeah.
And this is more oil painting. So this is oil on canvas.
So 1, 2, 3, all three are different materials, right?
These three are the same materials. These three are kind of the same materials in a way as well.
Okay. It's amazing art.
Thank you.
Someone would like to follow you and like your art. This is a man over there, right?
Yeah, this is like a self-portrait that I did in art school. It's like
Not having any person in front of you. It's just your imagination, right?
No, I had a mirror. I was looking at the mirror like
Yourself?
Yeah, I was looking at myself.
Oh, nice.
Self-portrait.